Gold yesterday created a strong bearish candle that has gone below 3314.79 and reached the next support level 3272.61. The price has continued to move down, as I was mentioned a day before yesterday, where I was expecting the price will continue to lose its value following this bearish trend. And yesterday the price finally made its way outside of this small range area, going below this area of support. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see easily how the price has behaved. The price has stopped at around 3332.99. Please watch also yesterday analysis, where I have mentioned that the price is trying to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, or the price will try to move below this area of support 3314.79, and the price has finally made its way with a strong bearish candle. We can see that one here, where the price has made a bearish breakout below this area of support and this area of support on the 4-hour time frame. The price has stopped at 3301.18, stopped for a while. We can see that making a bullish pin bar right here at the support level, but it was not very good, pointing towards the upper side. The price has continued to lose its value again with a strong bearish candle, where the price again has gone below two support levels 3301.18 and 3285.87. The price finally stopped at the daily support level 3272.61. We can see that here, and bouncing back up, and currently we can see today the price is trying to make a retrace going above this area of resistance 3285.87. We can see that with a strong bullish candle targeting the next resistance level 3301.18. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see how this looks. Yesterday the price formed a strong bearish candle. We can see that one here going below this area of support and also closing below this area of support, which was also a signal for the bearish breakout. Here at this place I have also mentioned this one inside the premium analysis for the traders, which I am expecting the price will drop to the next support level here, and we can see the price has done just that. So inside the premium analysis you receive the information when this happens and also what is the target. So feel free to check the link below in the description if you would like to join other traders to receive these updates. After that, we can see the price stopped at the 4-hour time frame support level 3301.18, stopped for a while, made a retrace back up, but could not close above this area of resistance on the 1-hour time frame. The price continued to lose its value. We can see that one here. The price has continued to lose its value, but made a retrace back again above this area of resistance 3301.18, touching 3305.89 with this here, and then continued to lose its value again, forming again strong bearish candle, and it is a strong bearish engulfing candle because it engulfed these three candles before that. This was also a signal that the price will continue to lose its value going further down to the daily support level, and we can see the price has stopped right here. This bearish breakout, we can see that, was invalidated with the next candle, which is the bullish candle, indicating further rise in value, and the price has continued to rise in value, reaching this area of resistance. It has stopped for a while. We can see that here, a small indecision candle, but it was a bullish one, which was also again some kind of a small information that there is a potential that the price will continue to rise in value. Next candle has been formed, we can see that, and has gone all the way to the next resistance level, where we can see the prices returning back down slightly, which means a bouncing from this area of resistance and then forming a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, which is 3294.93. This one I also have shared inside the premium analysis, where I'm expecting the price will reach this area of resistance 3301.18. You can see that here the price is currently returning back down to the support, testing the previous resistance. It is now acting as a support, and from here I'm expecting that the price will rise in value, reaching this area of resistance. So feel free to check the link below in the description if you would like to receive these updates, not only for the gold but also for other symbols that are listed here. After that, we can see what can we make as a conclusion. Currently the price is bouncing from this area of support. I am expecting that the price will try to rise up to here, to this area of resistance, and from there we will see will the price manage to return all the way to this area of resistance 3314.79. First of all, we can see on the daily time frame it is a strong bearish candle, where the price has stopped here at the support level. Did not make strong bearish momentum down, going below this area of support and retrace, but it has stopped immediately here, which means selling pressure has exited here, and that means also the buyers are waiting strongly here. Not here below, but here at the support level where it is currently a daily support. From here, we can see that we can also expect that there will be some kind of a bullish pressure currently pushing the price up, but then also eventually there is selling pressure waiting here. So we need to see and also wait for the market to make a move and then react, like I have done yesterday. In this case, when the price was going further down, we can see that here a strong bearish momentum has entered in here, and I have waited for the price to make a bearish breakout, like in this example here, and then I have followed the market. The market has easily moved down, continuing this strong bearish momentum, and the target was reached easily. So this means following the market, not chasing the market. So for now, for the 1 hour time frame, I'm expecting that the price will rise here to this area of resistance. On the 4 hour time frame, I also expect that the price will reach this area of resistance because of this strong bullish breakout candle has been formed here. I'm expecting that the price will reach here, and from there I'm waiting for the market to see what it will do. Will it make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, above 3301.18, targeting the daily resistance level 3314.79, or the price will retrace back down, going again to the support level, and then wait for a bearish breakout that will indicate further decline in value. It's important to be patient and also wait for a confirmation on the market by watching these candles and also how the candles forms, especially when there is a breakout, bearish breakout, or strong bullish or bearish momentum entering into the market, going below or above a strong support or resistance level. So it's very important to be patient and also wait for the perfect setup. For now, I am expecting the price will return here and then again wait for the market to make a move and then follow the market. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.